Ah, rain. One of those teachers from nature. You know, being out in the rain, being out in any of the elements, rain, cold, heat, just that discomfort from nature can teach so much, so much. You see, I'm sitting here in the rain, relaxed. The reason for that is because I have accepted that it's raining and it's a little cold. I mean, it's the end of summer. I'm not used to it. You know, I can feel it, a little breeze. It's uncomfortable, but I've accepted it. I've surrendered to it. I'm getting wet, I'm getting cold, and that's it. Therefore, I can relax into it. If I sat here, and started being like, it's raining. Oh, I'm cold. Oh, then it got me. Then it got me. Then I lost all the power, and there's no winning. I can't fight the rain and the cold. You can't fight nature. It's not a battle you're gonna win. And this goes for all of it. All of it. If you're out in the cold, it's gonna be cold. You gotta just go with it. If it's a hot day, stop complaining about how hot it is and just accept the heat, and you'll be all right. You can then take these lessons and apply them to your real life. Because there are so many horrifying things in this world that are completely out of our control. Completely. And we can sit and dwell on them and resist it, or you can accept it. You can surrender to it. Same as if you have pain somewhere in your body. If you have an injury or a disease or whatever, you can sit there and dwell on that and resist it and think about it all the time, or you can accept it and surrender to it, and you'll be so much better off. You know, there's so many lessons to that very simple concept of just surrendering. You know, when I first came out here, I was like, "Ugh!" And I scrunched up when it's raining, and I felt that impact and that little bit of cold rain hit me. And I go, "What am I doing? I'm about to make a video about not fighting it." So, you know, I had to, set my mind, and I go, okay. You know, it took me a few seconds, and then I was there. Then I sat down, and I'm okay. I'm okay. So, it's good to put yourself out in some kind of raw nature, whether it's sitting in the rain, going out in the cold air, the heat, walking barefoot, it's gonna be uncomfortable. Even just getting dirty, or going out and feeling hunger. I'm out in the woods. I'm in the cold. I'm in the rain. I have no food. I'm thirsty. You can resist and resist and resist, and it'll get worse and worse and worse the more you resist. But if you can just surrender to it, go with the flow, it's so much better. And you can bring that back into your normal daily life. And the benefits are so great. So I encourage you, go out. Go out in something. When there's a storm, go outside. I'm gonna go enjoy the rain.